Hey, what's up everyone? It's Phil with HarvestBTC, and in episode 4 we are pruning cucumber blossoms, showing off our new raspberry bushes, and I touch on the importance of pollinators in gardening and in Bitcoin. Summer is in full swing and the garden is really taking off. Since last time you saw it, in the past few episodes, you'll notice everything is much larger and more vibrant. Samara is focusing on the cucumbers today as they have exploded in growth and are shooting off multiple runners. The runners need to be pruned because they detract from the plant's energy that goes into fruiting. We don't want the vines to get leggier and more complex. We want them to have good air circulation so they don't contract powdery mildew or other diseases. And we want maximum fruit. And yes, cucumbers are a fruit. They're actually a type of melon, which is why they vine and trellis so well. In order to have the plant yield maximum fruit, we want all its energy to go towards fruiting the female blossoms. The plant will have both male and female blossoms, these beautiful yellow flowers you see. However, only the female pollinated blossoms will turn into fruit. The male ones will get pollinated by the bees, but won't yield any fruit, so these are plucked off. So, in this way, we are directing the bees to only pollinate the blossoms that will become cucumbers.
You gonna go say hi to mama?
Now to identify them, female blossoms have an ovary that appears almost like a miniature cuke, whereas the males have a straight, thin stem. It's easy to identify when you look closely. So next time you're in your garden, just take a look at the blossoms. This type of maintenance is time-consuming but worthwhile, as you will get tons of pickles this way. Just like in gardening, when it comes to investing, we have to optimize our assets to ensure maximum growth. One of the most effective ways to build wealth is to choose a reliable and promising asset to DCA into, which means dollar cost average, whereby you buy regardless of whatever the price is at a set interval. Conventionally, a lot of folks choose index funds like the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones, but if you ask me, the New York Stock Exchange is a corrupt cesspool that favors market makers and is nearly an unnavigable black box for retail investors. Bitcoin is the people's asset, moral, unstoppable, social energy currency that encodes money with the highest moral virtues and a high fidelity price signal that is available to anyone in the world with internet access. I encourage folks to use Bitcoin as the asset to DCA into to build wealth. Just look at Bitcoin's performance since its inception. It's the best performing asset of all time. By my estimate, Bitcoin will be worth $20 million per Bitcoin in the year 2045. And if that holds true, you don't want to be short Bitcoin. You want to be long Bitcoin. Regardless if you believe in Bitcoin or not, expose yourself to the right assets, the right risk. Align your investment strategy with something you believe in and can understand, and have peace of mind and mental clarity to live a simple life from that decision. That's what investing Bitcoin offers me. I just buy Bitcoin regardless of the price and don't worry about anything else. Man, this garden gets more beautiful by the day. Isn't summertime just the best? Wanted to show off our new raspberry bushes that my neighbors gifted us. These are the same bushes we were picking in episode 2, just a few smaller growths that they were kind enough to give to me. These are really starting to get big now though. We're not sure if they'll yield any fruit this year due to how small they were, but I guess we'll see. And they're perennial, so they'll be back next year and I bet they will produce then. I decided to put them in the mini side garden along my deck to maximize the space in my yard. And they're gonna get full south-facing sun here, so they're gonna do great. Love seeing the bees work. Long live the bees and all the pollinators and native plants. That's what it's all about. From today's preventative maintenance on the cucumbers, I'd estimate a small savings of about 4,291 Satoshis. Every bit counts. Thanks for watching. I finally realized I need to shoot videos in the widescreen fashion, so this will be the standard from now on. Catch you in the next one. Peace.